Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to become a Delhi University professor. To start, secure a strong academic foundation, typically beginning with a master's degree in your chosen subject. Aim for at least 55% marks, as this is a common minimum requirement for university positions. Simultaneously, prepare diligently for the National Eligibility Test, or NET, which is crucial for direct recruitment. This initial phase sets the stage for a successful academic career path. Pursuing a Doctor of Philosophy, or Ph.D., significantly strengthens your application for a professorship. This advanced degree not only deepens your expertise, but also demonstrates your commitment to original research. Focus on producing high-quality research that can be published in respected academic journals, which boosts your academic profile considerably. A well-executed Ph.D. also opens up opportunities for more specialized teaching and research roles. Beyond the degrees, meeting specific eligibility criteria is paramount. Ensure your master's degree has the required minimum marks, often 55% for general categories. Successfully clearing the National Eligibility Test, known as NET, is a mandatory hurdle for most assistant professor posts. However, candidates with a Ph.D. awarded under certain regulations might be exempt from the NET, making the doctoral degree even more valuable for direct entry. Once qualified, actively seek out vacancies on the official Delhi University website and affiliated college portals. Prepare your application thoroughly, including your academic transcripts, research papers, and experience certificates. The interview stage is critical, where you will present your academic background, research interests, and teaching philosophy to a selection committee. Practice articulating your ideas clearly and confidently, as this is your opportunity to impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.